Hello student, and welcome to number 4 of my tutorial series. In this one, I'm going to show you how to do bubble letters. It might do you some good to know how to do straight letters first, which you can learn here. Once you have a grasp on letter forms, we can start to inflate the letters to make them look like bubble letters like these. So let's start learning. Now when I said inflate during the intro, I wasn't necessarily kidding. I do imagine what the letter would look like if you overinflated it like a balloon. We'll begin with the letter A. Start by creating a straight letter A. Then for each straight section of the letter, we'll draw another line on the outside that bulges out to make a curved line. Erase the straight line inside the curved ones. There you have a bubble letter A. I'll go through each letter in a time-lapse format so you can visually see how each one is done and looks. The more you practice, the easier it gets to do it without the straight letter first. Hope this helps some of you understand how to create bubble letters. Now that we know how to do that, the next tutorial will be on how to smash them together to make throwies. Thank you for watching. Like to see any other tutorials created? Request it in the comments. Make sure to follow my socials for more content. Until next video, I'm gonna make like a balloon and blow out of here.